Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear subscribers. Whenever you are watching me, this is your body again about IT concept. So today I'm starting with the course that I promised some weeks ago. 3D logo, how you can make 3D logo with your smartphone. So let's just start today. Let's start today. So we are using Pixellab. Maybe if you don't have Pixellab, just go and download it on your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store like this and search Pixellab. So once you have it, so this, as you can see, this is it here. I've already have it. So this is Pixellab. Just click on open. So I just done with some. Okay, once you click on open, I don't want to lose this project, so let me just save it. Let me open it so it will not be showing any apps. Save as project. As okay, let me just click. So now we are starting from here. So what do you need to do now? Come to here. You will see some optionals here. You will see some optionals here. So you see something like this. First one, you see something like A. So that's where you can use C to type. So just come to that A. You see something like a triangle here, or this it. So it will display something like this. So click on this one. And once you have this, so just follow me as I'm doing it. Just keep watching. So I reduce it like this till 15. So I give color to the black color. I click done. So I put another one. I reduce this to 20. That one is 20. So then I did it like this. No. So I click OK. Then I reduce this one also. I do it like this. Let me copy this one. Then I move it to back. Just keep following me. So then I come to here. I click on it. Then I click here. After clicking here, I mark all my projects here. I click it. So I click all of them. Then I click on match together. So then I command it. So everything is now matched together. So it will move together, not one by one again. So I come to erase color here. I click on it. Then I put it on. So as you can see that we have a mark here. So that is something that's so amazing. So as you can see, after going through this class, I'm sure that you'll be a graphic or 3D logo creator professional. So we have done with that. So let's put a letter. So I write apology. So I processing it. I give it another format of letter. I give it another format. I think I like it. Let me shift this thing to stop me a little bit. Okay, let me give it like this color. Bolaji. I made this letter. As you can see, this is Bolaji. So let me give it both. What's the call? What's remaining now? So let me give it. After, just make sure that you are coming to this relative position, so your work done can be at middle. So I've already done with that. Apology. Let's leave it like that. So apology. Let me write concept. So I give that one another font. So which is this auto one regularly. That's what I want to use for apology concept. So I like the both two things. So come to here also. I want to make some let me use this. No, I don't want to use this. Let me use another one. I think this I prefer this one. No, let's use this one. Let's use the one that we want to use before. Let's use this one. So as you can see now, so I will use the color as black. Let's use black. Then Bolaji, we are going to put that concept inside it. That was why concept is going to be inside it. Concept, move to front. Concept, move to front. So as you can see now, Bolaji concept. What do we need to do now? It remains my motto, which is learn before you earn. So where should I put this? Just let's put it this. Let's put it here. So let's leave it like this. What's it called? Leave it. Let me give it another front. I give it the one that I use for apology, which is, I think this is it. Yes, this is it. That's it. Rather. So I give it bold, then I bend it. I bold and bend it. Bold and bend. That's what I give it. So now I think we have already done with creating this. So I think I've already done with it. So let me just match everything together as I did last time. I match everything to the one place. Okay, so everything is now on one circle. So let me change is all of this color. I'm going to texture, as you can see, texture here. Texture. So click on it. I click this. On my gallery, I'm finding the color that I want to use. Where is the color now? I think I download a particular background. So I'm going to use this background. We are using the background also, and we are using this color also for it, so it can make more sense. Let's click on done. So as you can see, we are already done with it. So now let's input background. So here is where we choose background. I come to from gallery. I click on from gallery. So the same background, I choose it. So as you can see it now. So how can we make it 3D logo right now? So you know that it is not 3D logo like this. So how can we make it 3D logo? So what do you need to do? Come to here on your text. Yeah, we click on we firstly start from shadow. You click on shadow, you will on it, you will reduce it, you will adjust it rather. So don't need to do anything with this one, just put it at 0 at is. So this one also, you don't have anything to do with it, just put it at 0 at is. So it is only first one, blur reduce, this blur reduce. So that's what you need to adjust. So after done with that, shadow, come to inner shadow. On that also, no, on that you can adjust that here. So as you can see, you can just give it like two inner shadow. You have done with that. Embrace, you don't need this one, but so as you can see, you don't need it. So come to, where's the remaining one? So as you can see now, so let's come to Saturn again. Now you can come to 3D rotate. 3D rotate, you can come to this rotate if you want to rotate your this thing. 3D rotate, so you on the 3D rotate, we adjust it back and make it like so. You adjust it back. So all this one, so as you can see, you adjust it. This one, I think you don't need this one, so you don't need it, so put it 0 at is. This one also, you can just let's use it this way. Let's use it like this, but we don't need it. I don't want this video to be so long like that. We don't need this one or up paper. So I think that's all what we need. That's all what we need. So after done with that, 3D shape, I think we have already worked on that 3D shape. We have already worked on that. So let's just leave it like that. As you can see now, I've already done creating the 3D logo. So you can just, as you can see, this for Pixellab. This for Pixellab, not, we are still using another app, we are still using another website, but this is how you can create your 3D logo. Okay, this is how you can create your 3D logo on the Pixellab. So let's just save it and see. Let me off. Okay, I've already off my data. So let's just save it and see. Save image. You go to PNG, you choose PNG, then you choose Ultra. Just don't rush. There's something coming. Something org is coming. If you don't like this one, you may like another one that I will do. So as you can see, we have already done creating the 3D logo and using our Pixellab app. So what do you need to do now? Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not do so before, because if you are not interested on this particular one, there are some courses that is coming. You may later have interest on them, so you will not miss. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on this particular post, maybe whether you like it or you don't like it. Just comment, let me know your opinion so I may know where we adjust by the next class. So I welcome you all again. Don't forget to subscribe and on your notification button. So that's very important. So thank you all.